While I do have plenty of room back here in this very old, dirty trunk of mine, I will say I'm a cleaning lady and my cleaning supplies are always everywhere. It's a constant mess. This organizer is about to be such a game changer. I'm actually about to use it to keep all of my complete cleaning supplies organized and from sliding all over the back of my vehicle. What impressed me most is how sturdy it is. It's real good, thick material, unlike a lot of the other organizers that use flimsy cardboard. This one's made with thick corrugated panels and is rated to hold up to 60 pounds. It keeps its shape even when it's loaded down with heavy spray bottles, tools, or heavier items. I also love that it stays put. The non-slip feet on the bottom, the hook and loop strips, and included cargo straps help everything stay secure even while you're driving. It's water and tear resistant too, so you don't have to worry about grocery spills if that's what you use it for, or wet sports gear, or cleaning supplies, or even a little rain. The design is super versatile, and you can use the full size for maximum storage or divide it into compartments to keep things more organized, or fold it up completely flat when you don't need it. Whether you're organizing groceries or sports equipment, tools, work supplies, emergency gear, or even like me, mobile cleaning kit. This is one of those super simple products that makes everyday life a lot easier.